Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 9 at 7 Roberts Road in Lathlain. If you've been looking to get into this tightly held suburb, then this is the home for you. With this location of only a few minutes to the train station and also the cafe strip, this well-appointed, huge apartment should be on your shopping list. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed the tour of 9 at 7 Roberts Road in Lathlain. As you can see, there's plenty of room to move in this bigger than average apartment. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.